Do you like bananas? They are one of the most consumed fruits in the world due to their sweet taste and how easy it is to eat them. They're rich in vitamins such as B6 and C, as well as minerals and diuretic fiber. One of its most well-known benefits is the energy it gives to people, since it's a great source of carbohydrates. It's highly recommended for athletes due to its high potassium levels, which prevent cramps. But do you know all of bananas' benefits? That's what we're going to show you in today's video. They reduce blood pressure. There is plenty of evidence that shows that potassium is very important in the fight against high blood pressure. And since bananas are rich in potassium, they can help reduce your blood pressure. They reduce stress. Have you ever heard of the happy hormone? It actually exists, and it's called serotonin. This hormone has to be synthesized through tryptophan, a substance found in bananas. Furthermore, they also contain magnesium, which has tons of benefits, such as sleep improvement. In other words, eating bananas improves your mood, helps you sleep better, and reduces stress. They fight anemia. Anemia is a condition characterized by low levels of red blood cells and hemoglobin. In many cases, it's caused by an iron deficiency. Bananas are rich in iron, so they're great at preventing anemia. They improve digestion. Bananas improve your digestion in two ways. First, since they're easy to digest, they don't irritate your digestive tract. The other has to do with the fact that bananas contain resistant starches, which don't get digested and go straight to your intestines where it helps the good bacteria. They help you lose weight. Since they're so rich in fiber, they can make you feel full for a very long time. Some of the vitamins present in them also make your body more sensitive to insulin, which can help people looking to lose some weight. The starch controls your appetite and lowers your blood sugar levels. Many people are scared of eating bananas because of their glycemic index, but they're healthy and great for everyone, even diabetics when added to their diet. How much and when you eat a banana are the most important factors. Now that you know all the benefits, how about adding it to the menu? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.